I had to take complete ownership. I had to look at all the things that I didn't have control over and say, I got to take control. Why? When you master yourself, you put yourself in a position that a lot of people can't do what you do, and then you become rare. And diamonds are rare. That's why they cost so much.
Theodore Roosevelt once said, with self-discipline, almost anything is possible. Self-discipline is, indeed, regarded as one of the keys to success. Many people attribute self-discipline as having determination and fortitude. That means having the strength and will to continue carrying out what one wants, to achieve despite setbacks and hardships. But in actual fact, self-discipline is more about having self-control or the ability to control your desires and not falling prey to bad habits such as laziness, procrastination, and irresponsibility. Self-discipline is something difficult to achieve, since it really requires one to battle with one's own self in making the right choice. But true self-discipline is not punishing oneself, and it is not supposed to restrict a person's lifestyle or the right for some layers. It is to make the right choice at the right time when the time calls for it. Like completing your assignment first before playing games, it actually denotes one's mental and inner strength, which is crucial in leading a more meaningful life. Self-discipline grants you freedom from being a slave to your willful desires and wants. It helps you to divide your time wisely between study, rest, and entertainment. Having self-discipline helps us to overcome laziness and procrastination and prevent us from taking things for granted. It directs us to choose what we want now and what we want for the future. A new way to get more living out of life. The ability to discipline yourself to delay gratification in the short term in order to enjoy greater rewards in the long term is the indispensable prerequisite for success. Self-discipline makes you re-evaluate what you need to do now in order to achieve success in the future. As the saying goes, what you sow now is what you will reap in the future. Personal discipline and social structure are important, and discipline is important. It helps a person to train his mind to make the other people in society a conscious mental position. Cognitive activity illustrate his personality and perception. The discipline is both physical and mental. Discipline is the anvil for both because it shapes them to concentrate more precisely on their objectives. A person can deteriorate mentally and physically, both with anxiety and depression. Discipline and control of emotions can help to solve such problems. Discipline seems to tackle individual difficulties until this point. Personal discipline and social structure are important, and discipline is important. That is why we say that discipline is very important. The best day of your life is the one on which you decide your life is your own. No apologies or excuses. No one to lean on, rely on, or blame. You alone are responsible for the quality of it. Thank you so much.